Hello, it's Andrew again at Life and Pig Grow, and today we're sowing Nicotiana. Can you believe it's a week since we last talked? Nicotiana needs moisture retentive soil. It likes it moist. So I'm going to show you a trick. This is our own garden compost, and this is vermiculite. Vermiculite mixed with soil will help with water retention. And all you need to do is literally, remember this when you were kids? I'm making mud pies. Oh, I like to make a mud pie. There you are, and I'm mixing it all in. And guess what we do next? Well, we're going to fill a seed tray with it. Unlike cell trays, there's no point going like that with it. Mainly because most of it will fly out. What I tend to use a little bit of a tamper. Now, if you haven't got one of these, it doesn't matter, because what you can do is you can get another tray, push it down. That will tamp it out. You don't have to be heavy-handed. There we go. That's our seed tray ready. Now, here's the trick. I'm going to take that seed tray away and water it before I even sow the seed. I know! Mind blown! But that's what you do on some seeds, because it helps again with moisture retention. And more importantly, the really, really tiny seed, which you're going to see in the next shot. So we're back at the potting bench after watering it, and as you can see, the vermiculite has all kind of washed down into this corner. That's what happens with really fine seeds if you don't pre-water. You'll end up with all your seeds in the corner of your tray. So remember I said how some seeds can be fine? Look how small they are. It's a battle to get them out of the seed packet sometimes. So it's literally finger and thumb again and sprinkle across like so. And again, sprinkle across. You know what? I know I've said this, you shouldn't sow it all, it should be thin sowing, and that's it. I'm going to now pour what's left back into the packet over my seed tray, so if any fall off, they'll go into there. Now, this is where it differs. You do not cover really tiny seed. If you want to, you can again tamp down, but be careful, because you may end up with seeds on the bottom of there. What you do now is you label it, and this is the trick. After you label it, there's our label, in it goes. You can cover it. Now, what I've discovered is these mushroom containers from well-known supermarkets do a fantastic job as a propagator. And these will only end up in landfill, because they're already recycled plastic, and a lot of authorities do not recycle them. So, the Nicotiana has gone on to the north side of my greenhouse where it's cooler. My greenhouse runs west to east, faces south that way, north that way. So it's gone on to the staging just under here, out of direct sunlight. Still getting some sunlight, but out of direct sunlight, because I don't want the compost to dry out. And how am I going to stop the compost from drying out? Well, I'm going to mist it. I'm going to use a spray, and I'll mist it every few days. If I'm particularly worried, I'll use a fine rose on my watering can, a seed rose, and that way it won't get washed away. But that's a bit faffing, and I like to use a spray because it's easier. So, until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life and Pig Grow. Remember, we're here every Saturday, and I will see you next Saturday. Until then, bye-bye.